this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this quick tip video, I'm going to give you some tips on the new Stampin' Up! Ink pads. Here is a brand new ink pad. I'm just going to open it up. So I'm going to remove the plastic, and I just wanted to share a couple tips about the new ink pads. First, there's all the stickers on the back, so you can peel on any corner, and then, whoops, I'm peeling the whole thing up. And then remove the edging. I keep this piece right here, this blank piece, and I like to put it on the back. So this is the back, so that just in case I have my ink pad flipped, I can tell what color it is. And then this one, since I speak English, is going to go on the front. Just gonna put that on the front there. And then there's an extra blank one that I'm going to put inside. So before I do that, I'm going to show you a trick on opening the ink pads, because some of them can be difficult. You can start at the back and put your two thumbs and squeeze, and that'll push this down and pop this up for you so that you can open it like that. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in this little track right here. I'm just gonna stick it down there. And then another thing I do with new ink pads, you can do this, you can use chapstick, you can use Aquaphor, just anything like Vaseline, and I'm gonna grease the tracks with it. And this is going to help my ink pad open more smoothly and easily. And I just keep a little Q-tip in there, and I just keep this in my craft room. And so now we can slide. See how much easier it is to slide? And then we can use it. And then when you want to close the pad so that you don't get your fingers all inky, I put my thumb on the front and my finger on the back, and I give the back a little push with my finger as I pull with my thumb to get it started. And then once I get it started, I can grab, pull, and flip over. So to open, you can just press right here and that will pop it up, and then you open it like a compact, and then you can slide it in. And then to close it, you can push with your index finger and pull with your thumb until it pulls out far enough for you to grab it and flip it closed. You always want to store your ink pads flat. You do not need to turn them upside down, because when you close the ink pad, the ink is already upside down. You do not want to store your ink pads like this, because there is a possibility of the ink leaking through here and getting all over your surface. So make sure you store your ink pads flat in a place that's not too hot, not too cold, and your ink pads will last a long time. You can use the re-inkers to re-ink them and keep them going for a super long time. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you enjoy your new ink pads. Thanks so much for watching my video on the new ink pads. I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.